Namaste. Wishing you all a very happy Holi. When we think of Holi, various beautiful colors come to our mind. The entire atmosphere is loaded with colors. People are rejoicing, playing with each other joyfully, having fun. And we also remember how Krishna and Gopikas would have played this Holi. Braj Holi is so beautiful and joyful the way it is described. It is that time when the Jivatma and Paramatma come together and understand the relationship of each other. With the Gopikas pouring color onto Krishna and Krishna pouring color onto Gopikas, and both are dancing. Our journey in this life, in this world, also is very beautiful. At one point in time, we feel that connection with the Divine. When we are very young, when we are just born, the Divine connection is very strong. As we age in this world, there are a lot of things that impact us, our own tendencies and also the environment in which we are raised and in which we interact. And due to all this, somewhere we might lose that connection with the Divine. And we might not even know that the loneliness that we are feeling is because of that lost connection and not because somebody hasn't done something for us or somebody is not understanding us. And it takes a while for us to understand that lost connection. And then when we long for that connection with the Divine, we come to know that the Divine is also longing to meet us. It's not just that we are longing, but the Divine is longing more than us actually. And when we feel that, we feel so understood, so beautiful to know that there is someone who longs for us, who understands us. It was just that we were not understanding properly. And then that relationship starts developing. And this time, because we have gone through that loss of relationship, we now value that relationship even more. And we feel that love that the Divine is showering upon us. And we also feel the love to serve the Divine eternally. So let's meditate on this theme today. I personally feel for myself that this sequence is very helpful for me to feel that connection when I am feeling very lonely. Hope it helps you too. Let's sit comfortably, our spine erect, shoulders, neck, jaws relaxed. Now visualize ourselves as a newly born baby. The baby who is listening to Krishna's pastimes through her mother, and is feeling very connected to Krishna and his qualities. Just as a newly born baby would have so much trust on everything. With that trust, let's listen to Krishna's qualities. Sundara Gopalam Uravanamalam Nayana Vishalam Dukhaharam Vrindavana Chandram Anandakandam Paramanandam Dharanidharam Vallabha Ghanashyamam Purnakamam Atyabhiramam Preetikaram Bhajanandakumaram Sarvasukhasaram Tattvavicharam Brahmaparam Bhajanandakumaram Sarvasukhasaram Tattvavicharam Brahmaparam. Shobhitamukhadhulam Yamuna Kulam Nipata Atulam Sukhadataram Mukhamanditarenum Charitadhenum Vaditavenum Madhurarasam Vallabhamati Vimalam Shubhapadakamalam Nakharuchiyamalam Timiraharam Bhajanandakumaram Sarvasukhasaram Tattvavicharam Brahmaparam Bhajanandakumaram Sarvasukhasaram Tattvavicharam Brahmaparam. And now we slowly grow up. And we grow and we start to see the world. Our environment may change. We might see conflicts between our parents. We might see so many contradictions in the world, so much unfairness, and our own tendencies might come up, and we suddenly feel so lonely, and we attribute that loneliness to something we have not been given, some relationship which was not understood, some person who did not acknowledge, some situation which did not go as per our wish. What we might not know is that if our connection to the Divine is alive, and if we are able to access that at all times, then we would be seeing all the worldly relationships as is, and know that we change, they change. So, in the worldly context, no relationship can provide us with the same satisfaction throughout our lifetime. That one relationship which can provide us with that is our relationship with the Divine. And having understood this, we now long. We say that, with whom can I play holy? I want to be colored by with whose color? With the color of the Divine. Keno sang khelu holi. Let's feel that longing as we tell Krishna that, why did you leave me? With whom can I play holy? Kelo sang khelu holi, पिया त्यज गए हैं अकेले, केलो संग खेलू होली, पिया त्यज गए हैं अकेले, केलो संग खेलू होली, पिया त्यज गए हैं अकेले, केलो संग खेलो होली। माणिक मोती सब हम छोड़े, गले में पहनी सेली, माणिक मोती सब हम छोड़े, गले में पहनी सेली, भोजन भवन भलो नहीं लागे, भोजन भवन भलो नहीं लागे, पिया कारण भई रखेली, मुझे दूरी क्यों मेली, पिया त्यज गए हैं अकेली, केलो संग खेलू होली। श्याम बिना जियरो मुरझावे, श्याम बिना जियरो मुरझावे, जैसे जल बिन बेली, मीरा को प्रभु दर्शन दीजो, मीरा को प्रभु दर्शन दीजो, मैं तो जन्म जन्म की चेली, दरस बिना खड़ी दोहेली, पिया त्यज गए हैं अकेली, केलो संग खेलो होली, केलो संग खेलो होली। So now Krishna hears this. And now he says, Priye Charushile, I am longing to meet you more than you are longing to meet me. I'm missing your presence. I'm missing you. I understand you. I love you. I was waiting for you to turn towards me. I'm here. I love you. And we feel Krishna's longingness for us. And just the fact that the Divine wants to be with us makes our loneliness get transformed into abundance. We feel so beautiful.
सपदि मदनाललो दहति मम मानसं देहि मुखकमल मधुपानं प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये 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 चारुशीले चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले चारुशीले त्वमसि मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम जीवनं त्वमसि मम भूषणं त्वमसि मम जीवनं त्वमसि मम भवजलधिरत्नं भवतु भवतीह मयि सततमनुरोधिनी तत्र मम हृदयमतियत्नम् प्रिये चारुशीले प्रिये 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 चारुशीले चारुशीले प्रिये चारुशीले चारुशीले.
And now that our relationship with the Divine is re-established, we are coloring each other. Krishna colors us with his love, and we color him with our servitude.
भजे व्रजैकमण्डनं समस्तपापखण्डनं स्वभक्तचित्तरञ्जनं सदैव नन्दनन्दनं सुपिच्छगुच्छमस्तकं सुनादवेणुहस्तकम् अनङ्गरङ्गसागरं नमामि कृष्णनागरम् अनङ्गरङ्गसागरं नमामि कृष्णनागरम् मनोजगर्वमोचनं विशाललोललोचनं विधूतगोपशोचनं नमामि पद्मलोचनं करारविन्दभूधरं स्मितावलोकसुन्दरं महेन्द्रमानदारणं नमामि कृष्णवारणं महेन्द्रमानदारणं नमामि कृष्णवारणम् यदा तदा यथा तथा तथैव कृष्णसत्कथा मया सदैव गीयतां तथा कृपा विधीयतां प्रमाणिकाष्टकद्वयं जपत्यधीत्य यः पुमान् भवेत् स नन्दनन्दने भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् भवेत् स नन्दनन्दने भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् भवेत् स नन्दनन्दने भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान्.
Hope it was a beautiful experience for you. Let's keep our connections alive. Happy Holi once again. Thank you so much.